How to activate Halifax credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I am thrilled to demonstrate the seamless process of activating your Halifax credit card online. So make sure you stay tuned until the very end of this video to catch all the valuable insights. So let's get started by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the official website of Halifax at www.halifax.co.uk. And upon reaching the designated page, locate and click on the credit card section. From the menu, click on the menu icon in the top, and from there go to the borrowing option, and here on the top you will see the option of credit card. Click on it. Now from this page, scroll down and see the option of activate your card that is just below the check your eligibility and see your card. Click on it. You can see the explanation of process of activating your credit card, which you can do online. You can activate your credit card quickly and securely in the app. The main cardholder must activate any additional cards. They can do this online. And once your card is activated, you can use it straight away. For the security reasons, you will need to make a chip and PIN transaction with a new card before you start using the contactless. So to do that, just simply scroll down and click on activate your credit card. And from here, you have to enter the correct form of your credit card number in the designated area and the date of birth. And also the expiry date. And after you do that, simply click on the activate option that is highlighted in purple color. And once you do this, your Halifax credit card will be successfully activated online. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.